They're the ones you can call and torment.
And hassle.
Yes.
That word.
Yeah.
And ask to play insane music over the airwaves of KSCL.
Yes.
Thank you guys for helping out with Rocket Fire Explosion.
Oh, no
It's
problem.
always a pleasure, dude.
We love the RFC.
We love the RFC. We love it.
Yeah.
Till they fall down, down, down. I wait for you. It's been 2 hours now. And you're still somewhere.
I want to get his shirt there. Hey, Desmond. Is the pizza in there?
Yes, it is.
Can I see the pizza? Oh boy. Oh my God! I wish that there was smell-o-vision. It smells so good. Are you nervous about having a bear in the building?
I am terrified.
Are you worried that people might get attacked?
Not attacked, but attached. And will we have to keep him here? Confiscate the bear.
What do you think about all this?
I know the bear personally.
Keith, are you ready for this?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Keith is about to become
This is the front. Okay, so I get in this way.
Yeah.
one of God's most beautiful creatures. Billy Bob Broccoli. Do you feel yourself becoming more of an animal?
I feel like I did this once in the past life.
I think this is a beautiful thing,
This would be a
Keith.
great. Okay, that's alright. This would be a great profile picture. This was right here.
Can I take one? Can I take one before you go? Can I take one before you go out, Keith?
Yeah.
You've put on a lot of weight, Keith, and I'm worried about you.
Get a camera.
Oh my God! It's so beautiful. I want to film the whole transformation. I'll shoot a photo, and then we'll let you out there. Oh my gosh, I love the feet. Look at the detail. You alright so far?
There is no easy access to this.
Oh. Wow.
This thing's weird.
That's why I told you to stay over there. Alright, turn around.
I knight you, Sir Billy Bob.
Is it too big or do we need to adjust the head inside?
No, it's perfect.
Alright, now those are going to be your last words for a little while, alright, Keith?
Okay.
Alright, I have to take a quick, you got a still photo, Mike?
Look at all the bugs we found. Safely walked to school without a sound. Safely walked to school without a sound. Here we are, no one else. We
You're
walk
back.
to school all by ourselves. There's dirt on our uniforms from chasing all the ants and worms.
Fantastic timing.
What do you think about that timing?
That was.
It's a beautiful thing.
We're talking about.
And your clown showed up behind me. That was even better timing than that.
Numbers, letters, learn to spell. Nouns and books and show and tell. Playtime we will throw the ball. Back to class, through the hall. Teacher marks our hide against the wall. Teacher marks our hide against the wall. We don't notice any time pass. We don't notice anything.
Excuse me?
Put your camera behind your back.
Sit side by side in every class. Teacher thinks that I sound funny, but she likes the way you sing tonight.
This is going straight to the internet.
About the bugs and alphabet. When I wake tomorrow, I'll bet that you and I will walk together again. I can tell that we are gonna be friends. I can tell that we are gonna be friends.